Will we have a chance to hear the New Year's bell in 2026? Our Earth is facing an unprecedented threat. According to NASA's latest revelation, the interstellar object 3I Atlas is crazily changing orbit at 300% acceleration. Scientists have issued a severe warning. With such an alarming speed and trajectory, a direct collision with Earth can't be ruled out. This begs the question, what exactly is controlling this mysterious object? Are we really facing a disaster from an interstellar asteroid? As time passes, humanity's remaining time is short. The world anxiously watches this situation unfold. Can humans truly control the universe's workings, or is it already too late? Astronomers observing the 3I Atlas asteroid have discovered as it gradually approaches Earth, its orbit has shown unusual changes. Scientists using Doppler measurement techniques closely track its speed and direction, yet observed its sudden acceleration unexplainable by normal gravitational effects. The Hubble Space Telescope, James Webb Space Telescope, and other high-resolution imaging devices further confirmed its actual position. As time progressed, it gradually deviated from the predicted path. Moreover, detailed analysis of its gas and dust tail shows the forces acting on it are not uniform. This further supports the conclusion that 3I Atlas's movement is unpredictable. This extreme speed and unpredictable trajectory combined is truly chilling. Each of its approaches tests human observation and reaction capabilities in real time, because even the slightest acceleration or direction change could turn it from a distant interstellar visitor into a real threat to Earth in an instant. Without a doubt, the appearance of 3I Atlas has sparked intense speculation about Earth's future. This is not only scientists' greatest concern, but also a major worry for everyone on Earth. Once 3I Atlas was just a silent interstellar traveler, but now it has transformed into a massive bullet, hurtling through the darkness of space, leaving a blazing trail. Its sudden acceleration has shattered every existing prediction model. It challenged all human understanding of natural celestial motion. Suddenly, a new prediction branch emerged. At such a close distance and high speed, the possibility of 3I Atlas colliding with Earth is no longer a far-fetched idea, but a potential incident scientists must now take seriously. The scientific community is deeply divided into two opposing camps. One view believes this is merely an extremely rare astronomical phenomenon, a natural celestial body with highly unusual characteristics. We've never seen such an object before. Those holding this view emphasize, although current data may be hard to explain, nature itself possesses infinite mysteries, capable of producing anomalies that defy our existing models. They believe, with the accumulation of extensive observation time, a conventional explanation may eventually be found. However, the other camp's view is more controversial. They point out the sudden increase in 3I Atlas's speed could alter its orbital alignment. This is not a random phenomenon, but possibly indicates intelligent control. It might even be evidence of advanced alien technology. This faction warns, if we deny this possibility too quickly, we might ignore humanity's first direct contact with entities beyond Earth. The term mothership has become a concept both fascinating and terrifying, touching deep-seated primal fears in humans. According to Professor Avi Loeb's latest paper, as new data continues to emerge, the situation grows increasingly tense. If 3I Atlas continues to accelerate in October 2025 at 30 to 40 kilometers per second, it or its fragments may directly impact Earth sometime between December 26, 2025 and January 9, 2026, heading straight for Earth. Humans might not welcome the new year then, but spend the final seconds in a potential global catastrophe countdown. To track this mysterious phenomenon, astronomers are meticulously calculating every factor that could affect 3I Atlas's path, from the gravity of the Sun and giant planets to subtle effects like orbital resonance and radiation pressure. They're considering each one carefully. These data are constantly being updated to achieve the highest possible accuracy, predicting whether 3I Atlas will intersect with Earth's orbit. This is not just a scientific activity, but a warning system for mankind. When the speed of 3I Atlas increases, its track suddenly curves just like a cosmic sword, suddenly change direction in the dark void. As long as its speed increases by 30 to 40 miles per second, its original perfect path through the solar system will be changed and may pass through the Earth's orbit. In that instant, 3I Atlas will no longer be a fleeting cosmic officer, but will become a harbinger of destruction, a messenger from the stars. Its speed is something no human machine can simulate. Once this situation occurs, the traditional New Year countdown of the world will become a more startling event. The global end of the world clock will start to tick. We will no longer admire the fireworks that are dying, but will watch the sky nervously, waiting for whether there will be burning objects piercing the sky. Astronomers will describe this moment as standing on the edge of a cosmic cliff, staring at the abyss, the ticking sound of the universe getting louder day by day, to billions of people. The transition from 2025 to 2026 may not be a moment worth celebrating at all, but in front of a firestorm from the stars. The last breath of opportunity, space stations and star defenses are working day and night. They need to calculate precisely to 1% second, recalculate the track of 3I Atlas. At the same time, it seems that all the people are holding their breath, silently hoping that this interstellar visitor just passes the Earth and does not become the maker of a disaster into history. If the process of 3I Atlas really changes, then the most chilling question, it's not why, it's where. It would just a observer. Will it just leave? Or is it the moment the universe chooses Earth as its final target? The answer is hidden in the days to come, hidden in the data stream, returned from the star, hidden in the track instrument and space probe. Every new signal emitted, every change in speed. All of these could be the last clues mankind gets before the collision, just like the great detective under the pen of Arthur Conan and Arthur Doyle. As Sherlock Holmes's famous quote says, "When you have eliminated the impossible, what remains, no matter how improbable, it's definitely a fact. Once scientists gather enough data, no matter how hard to believe the conclusion, it's undeniable, an unavoidable truth. If facts prove this object isn't just an ordinary rock, but a machine, a messenger, or possibly a weapon, then the countdown has already begun. The question isn't if we can stop it, but if we can survive its arrival. If 3I Atlas continues to accelerate and changes its current trajectory, the consequences may far exceed any scenario humans can prepare for. A close-range impact could disrupt Earth's magnetic field, trigger global aurora phenomena, and severely damage satellites, power grids, and communication systems. And if a direct collision occurs, it will release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear warheads. Such an event could block the sun with dust and debris, plunging Earth into years of darkness, causing global ecosystem collapse. Scientists warn such an impact could replicate the destruction from 66 million years ago. When the Chicxulub asteroid hit Earth, that impact triggered fires, massive tsunamis, and a year-long impact winter, causing dinosaurs and 75% of species to go extinct. In short, at its current speed, an encounter with 3I Atlas. This explosion could be an extraordinary event. Its effects may not be limited to the physical realm. 3I Atlas's unusual acceleration makes people wonder, is this just an extreme natural phenomenon? Or is it truly a carefully designed spacecraft? A well-crafted battleship? Or even a massive interstellar mothership? If this is true, then what we're seeing could be a deliberate maneuver, a well-thought-out decision, not just a random accident caused by gravity. Some observatories report detecting strange repetitive radio bursts from 3I Atlas. These signals don't match any known natural source. For some scientists, it doesn't seem like random noise, but more like encrypted communication. If this object is under intelligent control, its impact will be astounding. We may be witnessing the first purposeful contact, or perhaps a hostile approach. Once again, top space agencies are on high alert. NASA and ESA's main observatories are on standby. All eyes are fixed on Atlas, monitored 24/7. Telescopes, radar arrays, and deep space probes are all locked on. Meanwhile, supercomputers run millions of orbit simulations hourly, desperately trying to predict its next move. Governments worldwide are on high alert. Every defense protocol is in place, from kinetic impactors to nuclear interceptors, ready to launch at any moment in the worst-case scenario. If 3I Atlas is confirmed to collide with Earth, these devices could deflect or destroy the object. However, a chilling possibility is emerging. What if this isn't just a mindless rock? But a vessel? A massive alien mothership?